we continue the last time. 1 double crochet, insert the hook, yarn over, pursue the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pursue the last 2 loops, and then 1 increase, yarn over firstly into the hook in the last stitch. Last stitch is the yellow marker stitch, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops, increase, repeat 1 in the same stitch, insert hook into the same stitch, pull through the first loop, pull through the last loop, take off the marker. Look, this is the last stitch. Pull the marker on the last stitch. Okay, combine with a slip stitch. Insert hook into the first stitch. It's the pink marker stitch. Insert, yarn over. There are 2 loops on the hook. Directly pull the first loop into the second loop. Slip stitch, finish, and yarn and tighten the yarn. Okay, round 3, finish with marker. Okay, round 3, double crochet, finish, double crochet, increase or finish. Okay, look at our pattern. Next round 4. Start with 2 chain stitch. Okay, 1, 2 chain stitch, finish. Record chain stitch, finish. And next 2 double crochet and 1 increase. 2 double crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 15 times. Totally 60 stitch. Okay, we begin. Yarn over 1 time. Insert the first stitch, the pink marker stitch. Insert hook. Yarn over. Pull through the first 2 loops and pull through the last loops. Look, this is the first stitch. Take off the. Put on the first stitch. 1 double crochet, finish. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet also. 2 double crochet, finish. Continue. Then 1 increase. Yarn over firstly. Insert the next stitch. Pull through the first 2 loops. Pull through the last 2 loops. Repeat 1 in the same stitch. Yarn over. Insert hook into the same stitch. 2 double crochet and 1 increase, finish. This is 1 time, and continue repeat another 14 times. Okay, yarn over, insert the next stitch. This 1 double crochet, next 2 double crochet, next 1 increase. 1 increase, repeat 1 in the same stitch. In the same stitch, insert. Okay, number 2 time, finish. You crochet by yourself, finish the round. Okay, continue the last time. Yarn over firstly, insert hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and pull through the last 2 loops. 1 double crochet, finish. Two finish and 1 increase. Insert the last stitch. The last stitch is the yellow marker stitch. 1 finish. Increase. Repeat 1 in the same stitch. Repeat 1. Insert the same stitch. Take off the yellow marker. Yarn over. Look at the stitch. Look at the last stitch. Put the yellow marker on the last stitch. Okay, combine with a slip stitch. Insert hook into the first stitch. The first stitch is the pink marker stitch. Yarn over. Pull the first loop into the second loop. Tighten the yarn. A slip stitch is finished, and the round 4 finished. Look at the pattern. Okay, we record our sheet. Round 4, double crochet, finish, increase, finish, slip stitch, finish. Look our pattern. The round 4 finish. The next round, round 5, change color. Now we cut the green color yarn. Pull the yarn long. Use scissors, cut the green yarn. Tighten the yarn. Next, round 5. Round 5. We prepare white yarn. In my hand, hold yarn on finger like this. Use finger, press the yarn, fix it. Put the white yarn beside the first stitch, the pink remarker stitch. Okay, we change color. Insert hook into the first stitch. The first stitch is a pink marker stitch. Over first 3 chain stitch. First 1 chain stitch, 2 chain stitch, 3 chain stitch, finish. Okay, we record. Round 5, chain stitch, finish. Okay, look at the pattern. Chain stitch, finish, and then for incomplete double crochet. Double crochet. Over firstly, insert hook into the first stitch, the pink marker stitch, take off the marker. Over. There are 3 loops on the hook. Over. Pull through the first loops firstly. There are 2 loops on the hook. Because here we crochet in complete double crochet. Loops on the hook. Over 1 time. Insert the same stitch. This stitch we have crocheted. Insert hook into the same stitch. Over. Pull through the first loops. There are 3 loops on the hook. Then two incomplete double crochet, finish. Then repeat 2. Over firstly. Insert hook into the same stitch. Over. Pull through the first 2 loops. Now there are 4 loops on the hook. 3 times, finish. Repeat 1. Over. Insert hook into the same stitch. Over. Pull through the first 2 loops. Now there are there are 5 loops on the hook. Over and pull through the 5 loops together. This is 1 pattern. Look, the stitch is the first in. It's the first double crochet. Put the marker on it. Look at the pattern. Then 2 space. We find the firstly we find the stitch. This is the stitch we crocheted. This is the next stitch. This is the next one. This is the second stitch. This is the third stitch. Look at the pattern. 2 space means space 2 no crochet. This one no crochet. This one no crochet. This 2 space no crochet. Crochet next stitch in this one. Insert hook into the next stitch. Over slip stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Pull the first loop into the second loop. One slip stitch finish and tighten the yarn. Okay, look at our pattern. Slip stitch finish and then 3 chain stitch. Okay, 1, 2, 3 chain stitch finish. Then repeat for incomplete double crochet. Our first lay into the stitch. Over. There are 3 loops on the hook. Over, pull through the first 2 loops. There are 2 loops on the hook. Over, insert 2 times. Over, pull through the first loops. There are 3 loops. Over, insert a 3rd time. Pull through the first loops. There are 4 loops. Over again. Insert the 4th time in the same stitch. Pull through the first 2 loops. There are 5 loops on the hook. Over. Pull through the 5 loops together. Look at the pattern. Then 2 space crochet or slip stitch. 2 space is, look, we firstly find the stitch. This is the first, no, this first space, this, the first space, no crochet. The second space, no crochet. Crochet in this one. Okay, insert the hook. Over slip stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Pull through the first loop into the second loop. Slip stitch finish. Tighten the yarn. Look at the pattern. And then 3 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. 3 chain stitch finish and repeat for incomplete double crochet. Over firstly, insert the same stitch. There are 3 loops on the hook. Firstly, over, pull through the first loop. 2 loops on the hook. Repeat 3 times. Over. Insert hook in the same stitch. pull through the first 2 loops. 3 loops on the hook. Repeat. Yarn over, insert the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. Totally 4 times. Pull through the first 2 loops. Now there are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through the 5 loops together. Toe space, space, no crochet, space, no crochet, crochet, slip stitch in this stitch, insert hook into the stitch, yarn over. There are 2 loops on the hook. Pull through the first loop into the second loop, slip stitch, finish, tighten the yarn. Then 3 chain stitch, 1, 2, 3, and repeat 2 crochet around. Okay, crochet with me. Yarn over firstly, insert hook into the stitch, 3 loops on the hook. Pull through the first loops and insert hook another 3 times. Yarn over, insert hook, pull through the first 2 loops. Repeat, yarn over, insert hook in the same stitch. Pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, insert hook, the same stitch. Pull through the first 2 loops. Now there are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through the 5 loops together at once. 3 pattern finish. Then toe space, insert hook into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through the first loop into the second loop, slip stitch, tighten the yarn, and then 3 chain stitch, 1, 2, 3. Okay, repeat. Yarn over, insert hook in the same stitch, 3 loops on the hook, pull through the first loops. Yarn over, insert hook, pull through the first loops, insert hook, 3rd time, pull through the first loops, yarn over, insert hook the 4th time, yarn over, pull through the first loops. Now 5 loops on the hook. Pull through the 5 loops together at once. Okay, we find stitch. One space, no crochet. 2 space, no crochet. Crochet, slip stitch this one. Insert hook into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through the first loop into the second loop. Tighten the yarn. And then 3 chain stitch, 1, 2, 3. And repeat 1 by 1. Finish the round. Okay, crochet by yourself.